Morning, boss.
Hey dude,
How are you?
pretty good.
Having a good day?
So far, not achieved a great deal yet, but...
Alright. Well, welcome everyone back to the garage. Here we are, as you can see. Looking a bit messy in here, probably need to have a tidy up. But hey, what are you going to do? Oh, keep it down, don't want to do the big reveal.
Uh-oh!
You join us today, it is the 2nd of October. Is it the 2nd of October?
Yeah.
Yesterday, we made a purchase.
Opportunity knocks!
Opportunity knocked and we answered the door and we said, come in Opportunity, you are always welcome at the Make It Better garage.
Yeah.
Yes, we got the opportunity to buy another motorbike because that's what we needed. But it was very, very cheap and we saw the chance to do an interesting series on the rebuild slash improvement slash whatever you want to call it. Okay, so yeah, we bought a bike yesterday and our project is going to be the £500 adventure bike.
Oh yes. I mean, there's no other better candidate for this project than obviously this upcoming vehicle.
Yeah.
Obviously, you'd straight away adventure bike, you're thinking some big BMW GS touring thing, or, you know, maybe like mine, maybe a Kawasaki something or other, or, you know, Triumph Tiger. I mean, it's got to be something like that, John, surely.
It's the obvious choice, really, isn't it? The obvious choice. But with a very low budget, probably not achievable. And to be honest, I don't know what you feel like, but I kind of really somewhat resent the whole idea that you've got to spend many thousands of pounds on a big adventure bike, which then you just sort of ride around on sunny weekends and go to the cafe 20 miles away and you go and have a coffee somewhere and then you ride back again. So I'm not really into that. So yes, to that end, we have bought a very cheap bike. We're going to try and make it into something adventure-y and see how it goes. There's really no plan beyond that. We are doing this on a whim.
Yeah.
So Kieran, would you like to introduce
Yeah.
the latest edition?
You should check out the lovely blue pig that is this Honda CG125.
There we are, ladies and gentlemen. That is a 2004 Honda CG125. Bought for the grand sum of £300. That leaves us £200 in the pot to turn that into something that we can go on some kind of a reasonable adventure with.
Woohoo!
We're not sure what shape that's going to take yet. So if you've got any suggestions, please leave us a comment below. We've got a few ideas, but we're still mulling it over.
So let's have a peek at this new edition. And what have we got here then, John?
Well, let's have a look. We've got a Honda CG125, or a rough approximation of. But specifically, we've got a bike that's seen some action. It's got a few scrapes, another scrape, a few more scrapes, a few dents on the tank. We've got some horrendous Chinese tyres, which we'll probably replace.
They don't look like they would grip anything.
No, I'm not sure they would grip anything. Moving around though, we've got a fairly new shiny exhaust. We've got a fairly scruffy engine. We've got some shocks that might need a little bit of cleaning up. We've got an indicator that is attached. We've got an L plate which is sort of attached.
Superfluous for our needs, at least.
We've got an indicator that is not attached.
That's flexi custom job, that.
Yeah. Moving on then, we've got another Chinese tyre. It's not so great. Plenty of tread on it, just not really sure I'd rely on that tyre.
It's made of fudge, I think.
We've got a chain that's too slack.
And quite a lot of sludgy business. I mean, that chain has never been maintained.
Alright, well, that probably needs cleaning up and we'll check to see if that needs replacing. Same with the sprocket. What else we got? We've got rips in the seat. This is a nice rip there.
A nice matching pair, I believe.
Another one over here. We've got this tasteful modification.
Not at all sun bleached.
Probably my favourite modification of all of them. We've got some business in there that's looking a little bit like it might need cleaning up. carburetor in the back there probably wants cleaning out because it's been sat for a while. We've got a missing bolt. There's a missing bolt, look.
You can see there, nice and clearly, that bolt that's not there.
So there is a bolt, and in case you were wondering, there is not a bolt. But more or less, it is a Honda CG125 with some work to do. For 300 quid, I think it's alright. We've not had it started yet. When we went to look at it, we checked the compression on it. So today, what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the spark plug out, check the spark plug. We're gonna check the oil, make sure there's some oil in it. We've had the battery on charge overnight. I think it's possibly completely dead, but we'll give it a go. We'll see what happens. We're gonna try and fire it up. Let's see if we can get the old girl started. So this is day one.
Come on, pig!
Come on, piggy! Day one of the £500 adventure bike build.